So this is Castile soap, like peppermint Castile soap with Dr. Bronner's. Here's your chain, wet that sucker, nice liquid soap. Now look at the grime coming off.
I kind of like the black, Josh.
You're gonna like it, I promise. It's gonna be dark just without the funk. The first scratch sucks. The 1 millionth scratch is just part of it. All right, so there's two things that a lot of people sort of interchange, but I don't think they're interchangeable. One is clean, the other one is shiny.
Yeah.
I like my shit clean. I do not care if it's shiny or not. Shiny's cool, but I mostly like the patina. I like it a little darker. But clean, that's different. Clean is, there's no funk on it. So, in my opinion, that's how this piece looks best. And it's a, if you can compare like how it looked in the beginning to how it looks now.
Yeah,
you still have all the patina in there. You just don't have the grime. And then the next thing is occasionally open that up. You just put a couple drops of 3-in-1 oil. Let's go do that right now. Drop on the hinge, couple drops in the button. Just work that shit in. All right, now this thing's clean. We've taken the grime off of it. I love this company, Connoisseurs Silver Wipes. They're paper. They're a little gross if you use them all the time. The powder doesn't feel nice. I put some gloves on, but I mean, personally, I don't care so much. So this is for a clean piece that you want to look shiny. And it is like magic is what you're doing now is you're just taking the tarnish off. All right? So I don't have to do the whole thing for you to see. I'll do like a little section. And you see the black comes off onto the paper. And the black is the tarnish. The tarnish is an oxidation layer that forms on the silver. It's just naturally occurring. It protects the metal. It's similar vibe to how rust protects metal. It's meant to be. Okay, so there. You can see that is a shiny piece as opposed to, this is clean and shiny. This is clean and tarnished.
Yeah.
But look at the pendant, all that. Anyway, clean, but shiny, not shiny. So if you want your shit shiny, first clean it, then use a polishing cloth. We provide a little polishing cloth with most of our stuff, so if it's in there, you can use that one, then it's pretty good. But these ones are some of my favorites, and these are what we actually use here in our own factory. They work great, but this isn't part of the manufacturing step. This is more just for people who have said, well, I really want to maintain some shine.
Yeah.
For me, the best of this stuff is when it's been used and broken in and it carries the marks of having been used.
Yeah.
I don't know, it becomes yours.
Love it.
The hallmarks of adventure. Anyway, you can take those home.